the speaker has rejected their application, saying that any interested person who has any interest in a matter where person has incurred disqualification can file a disqualification petition. So therefore he has rejected their application, and now the matter will be decided on merits.
One similar disqualification petition is filed by Girish Churankar. So this observation will be applicable to that petition also.
In a sense, they are not similar, because this petition which is filed by Mr. Amit Patkar is only against these two MLAs, which was prior to they, all of them joining the other party. So this was only against two. The petition which has been filed by Mr. Chodankar is in respect of 8 MLAs who had defected. So in that sense they are not similar. But yes, the principle of law that any person can file a disqualification petition will equally apply there also. And in fact it is a settled law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court that any interested person can file a disqualification petition.